Watch till the end.
But he's bipolar.
Mama hair menyamba. No. Ati bas.
He's a 10, but he's a mommy's boy. He's a 10, but doesn't go to church. Okay. Mama here was about.
Guys.
He's a 10, but he's the last born. Okay. He's a 10, but he's in the creative space, like the limelight.
No!
You don't like that?
No! Mama hey, so wewe sasa unajua. Mama hey.
He's a 10, but you're taller than him.